At this moment, it is my honor to introduce our troop information and education speaker for today, an individual whose dedication, discipline, and passion for public service truly stand out. He is a proud graduate of not just one, but 2 bachelor's degrees, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and Bachelor of Elementary Education. His diverse academic background reflects his commitment to continuous learning and desire to serve others in every field he enters. He is also a graduate of a master's degree in educational management, a field that focuses on effective leadership, strategic planning, communication, and the ability to guide teams toward shared goals. Guided by these commitments, he chose to pursue a noble profession. He entered the fire service as Fire Officer 1 in the year 1998. His diverse background in educational management and fire-related trainings enhanced his ability to lead teams, develop training programs, mentor younger firefighters, and help strengthen the overall organizational performance of our institution. In the year 2023, he was promoted from Senior Fire Officer 4 to Fire Inspector, a commissioned officer who was then assigned to various municipal fire stations within Region 10. He is someone who rose from the ranks, proving that hard work, discipline, and passion for service can open doors to greater responsibility and leadership. He is not only a committed firefighter, but also a devoted husband and a proud father of 2. Balancing the demands of family life with the responsibilities of the fire service is no easy task. Yet he continues to serve with courage, integrity, and professionalism. His journey inspires every firefighter and every public servant that no matter where you begin, excellence and determination can lead you to where you aspire to be. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome our distinguished Troop Information and Education Speaker, the current Acting Municipal Fire Marshal of Quezon Fire Station, Bukidnon, Fire Inspector Merlito T. Rolida. Sir, please give him a round of applause.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the overwhelming introduction. For Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Asok. For Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rick Stewart L. Sanbanya. For Regional Chief Directorial Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabry, sir. All senior officers, fellow firefighters, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Fire safety enforcement is one of the primary tasks of the Bureau of Fire Protection, along with the fire suppression, fire investigation, and emergency response. Under fire safety enforcement is fire safety education or the community relations. To begin my speech for today, defines us on how does fire educators' perspective affects the community fire resiliency. To start with, let me define the fire safety education. Fire safety education was not just teaching the community how to put up the fire exit. It must encompass community empowerment and how we as BFP personnel uplifted the knowledge of the community on how to become resilient in their respective barangays. Let me ask, do we teach or do we educate? How do we see the relevance of fire education in our agency? Do we view fire safety education the same as how fire safety inspection works? In the fire safety inspection, we make sure that the business establishments must ensure compliance to become resilient. In the same manner, in fire safety education, do we ensure that the community refrains from doing such practices that can cause 5 incidents? Or we just teach because it was part of our duty? How do we persevere despite hardships and challenges? It is a usual day-to-day basis during the conduct of the community immersion that some of the barangays take for granted our Oplan ligtas na pamayanan. Sometimes, wala'y pangkape, or wala niya si kapitan, or possibly sometimes, others says, wala na'y budget, wala na'y pundo pang merienda. Pero sa akin nun, mga picture na lang ta for documentation. To be honest, this is usual experience of our fire educators. However, despite of these hindrances, will you give up or will you adapt? Fire safety education takes a lot of effort, shared with dedication, but it is fulfilling if we see the community development because of your effort. Basin diay usa sa inyong natuluan, makatong nagsindi o gasira doon kayo sa kortina. O katong nagpasigaw o suga, bisan pa adunay singaw ang gasol. Remember the acronym FIRE. F, foster development. Encourage the continuous development and learning of community until themselves become an advocate of fire safety. I, instill values, viewing fire safety education not just to teach but to educate important life skills and values such as safety, resiliency, and cooperation. R, reignite passion, constantly renewing enthusiasm for teaching and learning. Look into brighter side despite your hardship. Adapt and collaborate with the authorities. And E, empowerment community. Equipping the community with the knowledge and skills to develop act of being fire resilience, even or without the Bureau of Fire Protection supervision. Let me end this speech with a quote. Words of fire educator is greater than 150 PSI pressure of fire truck. Have a nice day, Lubas. Daghang salamat.
Thank you for a very informative speech, sir. At this moment, may we call our Assistant Regional Director for Administration to award the Medallion ng Papuri to our speaker to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Vince Cliburn Salvania, sir. Citation read, Regional Order Number R10-RAWD-2025-113, Medallion ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Inspector Merlito T. Rolida, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal of Quezon Fire Station, Bukidnon, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a troop information and education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on November 17, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 17th day of November 2025, at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Traggio, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.